How's that thing? I told my son the other day, can two things be true at the same time? Yes. I'm neutral because I want to see you get the roof done because you need a roof. But on the buyer side, the way the insurance sees the roof is a lack of maintenance. So these trees, if it were me and I'm you, before we even get them out here on the appraisal process, you got trees up here on the eave that are rubbing against the eave, which I wasn't sure till I could actually get the drone up and I can look down. So we got trees over here rubbing on this portion of the eave and trees over here on the corner rubbing. And what those will do is they're gonna rub a hole in the roof. So some of those leaks, even if we've traced them back to that corner over there, some of the leaks could also be coming from the fact that you may have holes already there from the trees rubbing against the eave of the house. I've seen it. And when water comes in, it's gonna run. So even though it's found its way in and it's showing here, the point of origin could be on the eave. I've seen it 100 times. So right off the bat. And the second thing in the back where you have the HVAC panel, we wanna make sure that you cover that up. Somebody took off your panel there in the back. Oh, one of the panels in the back is on your HVAC. Put that back on. Yeah, it's okay. But this again, when the insurance comes out, presentable to you.
Iron your shirt.
Yes, yes, because we want to make sure that we give ourselves the best opportunity to get it taken care of. Once Robert comes out, he's going to set his test scores. The other thing too is, I was telling Mr. Billy because I look, the roof was dead. Right. What that means is, whenever they built it, they didn't put enough ventilation. So you've got this long run here on the top, which is your ridge. That ridge should have what's called a ridge cap. A ridge cap is an open ventilation system because, let me show you over here. You're set up. You're set up. With ridges. See these right here? Those little holes? Those are called soffits. So when you have soffits, the soffits are your interchange. The air comes up, and then it's supposed to go out over the ridge. But the ridge is covered. So all you have up there is the little boxes, and they're too small. So when the roof can't breathe, you're gonna have granular loss. And the granular loss, you can tell because once you start to see granular loss, see all that dark stuff coming off on the edge of the roof? That's mold. And you're also gonna have shingle granulars coming off the side because there's no ventilation. So now when the insurance comes out, they go, oh, this wasn't built correctly. Right?
What about the inspector?
I see it all the time.
Jesus Christ.
Now when you have a general inspector, he's gonna stamp it. They're looking at structure, but they're not roofers. They're not looking at age and condition of the shingle. We look at age and condition of the shingle. A general inspector is looking at structure. Okay, is it okay? Is it gonna function? Yeah, okay. But everything is always tied into storms, right? So again, I see this all the time up in San Antonio. Houses are built on budget, never to manufacturer specification, and they're always under ventilated. They put the bare minimum on the ventilation. So because the roof, when it was built, did not have enough ventilation, over time, the storms came in and it caused wear and tear, very hot attic. And then over time, you'll start to see the granular loss. On the eave, it comes off. And then you also see the trenches where the water's come down over time and it's dug in on the trenches. Again, this is stuff that the insurance looks at because they're like, okay, hey, this is an old roof.